choose one. Whichever one you're drawn to first initial instinct. If you chose this one, this reading's for you. If you chose the other one, I already posted it. But I feel like a lot of people are choosing this one for some reason. So, and I could be wrong. We'll see. So I'm going to give this a good shuffle. Energy feels really weird. Feels a bit interesting. I don't know. So we're just going to take it one step at a time. But what I'm going to do is this. You stay stopped for the lines. It just adds to the magic. No one's really paying attention today. It's okay. The energy's weird. Ready? Yeah, okay. Stop. The Chariots. The High Priestess. Yes. One more time. Ready? No. There we go. Ready? Stop. Yes, the Fool is on the bottom. Okay. It's time. For what? I don't know. But it's time. This energy of it's time. There's a lot of movement, a lot of action moving forward. Like, let's go. Let's be creative. Let's be the artist again. Let's be the, like, I don't know, get the imagination going again. Let's feel excited. And it's like this, it almost reminds me of a false spring type of thing, even though there's like a huge storm, coldness going on where I am anyway. This energy though feels really interesting because what I'm getting is it's this energy of you're ready to move forward. You're ready to get going. You want to change. It's time for something to evolve and actually be your turn. It feels like a lot of people are around you. It's like, oh my gosh. And you're happy for them. You're not mean like that of like, but it's like, when is it my turn? Now. I don't know, from whenever you're seeing this, because these tower moments, I'm doing the double chin now, okay? These tower moments you've been through, you're still healing from the tower moments. And when I say tower moments, if you're new to this, it's like when everything crumbles, everything. And the universe is like, hey, in order for you to get this new, beautiful beginning, we have to get rid of all the old to create space for this new, beautiful energy to come in. You're not the same person you used to be. So how can you still try to hold on to what you're used to instead of taking the leap of faith and trusting? Isn't that hard? Easier said than done. I know. This energy. Yes. Okay. 9 of Pentacles. She just feels like it's time. It's growing. It's like this luxury energy is coming in. This energy of you put in all of this work. It is time. Things are going to show. And the cool thing is, I don't see you have to say anything. Your energy is going to just show up and be like, yeah, it's speaking for itself. The way you talk, the way you carry yourself, working on your posture, the way you the way you express yourself with dressing, with I don't know, an emotional support water bottle. That is such a side note. I have no idea. King of Wands. We're gonna need some more energy. Individual. It feels like such a power move. It's like you're the boss. You're here. You don't have to say anything. It's not egotistical. It feels like this quiet confidence. That's what I'm getting. So the Hermit, you're ready to come out of the Hermit mode. All right, you're going introspection. You're doing this, but I'm just feeling like this. You've done a lot of work internally, and that is finally starting to be noticed externally, but it's just time to come out of the Hermit mode. But don't be too overwhelmed that you have to accomplish a lot all at once. Remain slow and steady. Give yourself grace. Because this, a lot of Pentacles, money energy coming in, new promotion, new job opportunity, bonus check maybe as well. That'd be nice. Anyway, but go, yeah, like the energy here is go slow and steady. Your manifestations, your 13 wishes you did, they're starting to come true. But in order for all that new energy to come in, we got to clear it out. Clear out all the old energy. This energy of the Two of Swords is like having the decision. And I love the artwork with here of like, hey, following your heart, your mind. Where's the crossroads? The universe is not going to give you these obstacles without having faith you will be able to succeed with overcoming or like accomplishing them. You gotta trust the universe. Like you have your individual path. And I feel like you're protected. You are protected. There's this sun energy. You're protected. You're healing. You have been through a lot. So I don't want to discredit that. We're all in our own general, our own individual experiences and journey. This is a general reading, so I don't want to discredit everything you have been through as an individual. This overall energy is just so much healing, and the sun is finally shining. When is it your turn? It is your turn. It is your turn, okay? And then 10 of Cups, which is just this beautiful completion, wishes fulfilled, like this beautiful homecoming energy coming in.